equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a new closure system, and a lid seal. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 for safety. Remove the base screws using the screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place. Next, carefully lift the lid off. Inspect the internal components for any debris or damage. Clean the inside with a damp cloth to ensure optimal performance. Now, take the new closure system and align it with the existing fittings. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but not over-tightened. Next, replace the lid seal. This is crucial for maintaining the proper function of your Thermomix. Ensure it fits snugly around the lid. Once everything is in place, do a visual check to confirm all parts are secure. Plug in your Thermomix and test the closure. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Your Thermomix will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.